How'd you get in here is my question. I'm gonna let you outside, but how did you get in here? You were upstairs. How? What window did you come from? I can't stay mad at you. Oh, sorry. Come back. Was it the fucking... No. How? How did you get in here? You're so cute. Come here, show you. Oh! Don't bite me, cunt! Hey, come back here. Bleeding? That wasn't very nice. Oh, no. Come on. Not supposed to be in here. I'll see ya. I love you. You're so fucking adorable, I will say. Come here. Don't bite me again, asshole. It's raining, that sucks, but remember, do not bite me again. That's it.